भूलना दो।
अब कोई बोलना मत चाहिए, सुनना है और आप क्वेश्चन भी पूछते रहना।
ठीक है।
एक्शन।
As Nelson Mandela once said, the greatest glory of this life is never in falling, but in rising every time we fall. So today we rise together to explore. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Survi and today I am here to start a new topic, that is why India is still developing country. So have you ever wondered why India is not developed country like Japan and Korea? अरे हाँ या ना तो बोल दो. It's true, like yes, and we are about to complete 77 years of independence, but still we are not developed nation because it has lot of problem in India. If we compare present day of India with past one, then we can see the significant improvements. But if we compare India to developed nation, then we can see the needs we change to do in India. It's lot of things. WHO consider a country developed nation if the GDP of country is good and lifestyle of the people is good, poverty rate is less, and many more things. So now I'm going to tell you these things in details. So if we talk about education, so in India, yeah, previously there were no schools and colleges in rural area, but now there are. So it has increased our literacy rate, but still we are not getting quality education yet. We are just educated just to become literate or get jobs. But do you think our education system is same as Britishers left us? Why didn't we change it? Haven't we feel to need to change our education system? Yet we are just educated just like the Britishers rule. We are not changed yet. Then I think, in my opinion, we have to change our education system. Our government should change it. And if we talk about poverty, so in India there is a lot of poverty. As we know, most of the people lived in rural areas and under poverty line. They have to face a lot of problems. So becoming a developed nation, we have to control our poverty rate. We should grow together. I'm not talking about you and me. I'm talking about we all 141.7 crore people in India. We have to grow together like a family. Okay, in many people do that. They give tip at restaurant, hotels, and cafes just for show off, and they think I'm very considerate person in this world. But they didn't help someone who is really needly. They don't help them person who is really needly and just dying for have something. And on one hand, they give tip to shopkeepers, but on another hand, they are arguing with rickshaw driver over just 10 rupees, and they think, wow, I am very considerate person in this world, and I'm just giving tip and just say keep the change to shopkeeper just for show off. In my opinion, this is just a show off. If you really want help to someone, so please help them who are just really needly, who wants your help. You can also help and support them by informing the government policies meant from them, from under poverty line people, because most of the MLAs of the country of the area, they don't want to people aware about policies because they do a corruption. In India, a lot of people are engaged in corruption just for some rupees. They don't think about someone, they don't think about their peoples, and don't think about their voters who are giving vote to them. Thus they are just doing the corruption just because we are still developing country after 77 years, and now we are our for our finance minister said like after 10 years India will be developed country. So why after 10 years? Why 1 or 2 years not? Because we are not supporting our government, and our government is also not good. That's why. And infrastructure. If we talk about infrastructure in rural areas, it is also not well. Many accidents were happen. Street lights are not there. Education are not there. Health is not also, and then hospitals just said go to the urban areas, and hospital like AIMS and substance and that all, and just people are, as we know, people have no money for making their hygiene, maintain hygiene, and eating good food because they are poor, and we have to control that. If we talk about infrastructure, so this is also not well developed. But the last but not least is population. As we know, we have 141.7 crore population in India. And we are now the first largest population country in world. India is now first. Previously, China is, but now we are. China has a 141.1 crore, and we have 141.7 crore people. So now this is not also good because if population increase, demand will also increase, but supply not. supply not. And now, and as we know that our limitation is our wants are unlimited. We want big house, we want like many cars, bikes in our house, we want everything. We humans, we want everything, but we don't think about resources. We have limited resources, so why we don't think about the resources and environment? Now we are also disturbing the environment. Like as a result, you can see the global warming. We have to face a lot of summers and sunlights, just because of global warming. Glaciers are melting. Like we are the problem. That's why our India is not growing. We are the problem, indirectly or directly. We are the problem. Okay. So if we want to grow our India, if we want to become India as a developed nation, we should be grow together like a family, and we have to change our education system also, and health and government should focus on rural area also. They are just focusing on urban area. Most of the Mumbai and Delhi, because most of the foreigner visits there. That was they are just focused on these areas. Why they are not focusing on rural areas? Many people are live there. There are a lot of things that we have to do. Government will, if government not do, so you can try to do. If you are able to do, so please do that. And we want India to develop nation, so please do something, and do something and start from now. Start from now, because it's best for us. That's it. Thank you.
Anybody is having any questions regarding the things that they have been spoken by Surbhi, as he has spoken about the like how can India be developed country like in 2 years, or like why not in 2 years, why in 10 years. So I just want that you all to ask some of the questions from Surbhi, as he has spoken, so that we are going to be acquainted about it, like how can India be developed country in just like in less than no time, which is the collapse. Okay, so what sort of mistake that we have been doing for a long period of time, so that we should not do that mistake. Are you getting or not? What sort of mistake that we have been committing for a long period of time? What sort of mistake that we wanted to do that mistake? Are you getting or not? So these kinds of questions that you can ask from Surbhi. Are you getting or not? Like why aren't we supporting our government? And why aren't our government doing anything? What is the reason behind it? Are you getting or not? So you can ask some of the questions regarding that, regarding the things that they have been talking by Surbhi. So you can ask. Yeah, who want to ask them? Yes. Answer should be, should be asked in a perspicuous way, so that she could give the answer properly, or in a perspicuous way she could give the answer. Are you getting or not? Those questions should be asked from each and every one person. Right? Yeah. Who wants to ask questions? Anybody who wants to ask? Then you will become an intelligent person. Until you have the power of asking the questions, unless you are not going to be intelligent or sagacious person. Are you getting or not? If something is just being spoken, you are listening only. It means that you are not understanding, or you are perceiving the things that they are being spoken. If you are perceiving, it means that you are capable of asking the questions from her. Are you getting or not? If you are capable of understanding the things that they have been spoken by Surbhi, it means that if you have understood, you can have a lot of multivarious questions in your mind. And the person who asks the questions more, that person becomes more intelligent. To ask the question, and the question should be asked in a concise way, in a succinct way, and must be clear to everyone, individual. Yes, who want to ask? Yes, you go. So according to you, in which sector government should focus more?
Rural area, urban area. I think rural areas, like my question. Rural areas, because there is a lot of problem in rural areas as compared to urban areas. So I think,
Kind of problems are there in rural areas, and which
like
are not in urban
I
areas?
just said that
Infrastructure.
infrastructure, poverty,
So why the
health.
government is not making that good?
I'm sorry, what?
Why the government is not making the infrastructure, schools, is everything not good?
Yes, everything is not good, and I don't have this answer, because government not do. So what what I can say? Government are just saying that in the time of election, like I'm just doing, and they are just promising to their voters.
Government is doing, but the population of our India is not supporting the government.
Many areas, but we cannot say that a lot of people are not supporting, because they are just think that government will not do. If government just saying that I help you, I'm just मैं यहाँ का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ठीक करूँगा.
Huh? I will get the infrastructure.
I will get the infrastructure well developed. So people just said that like उनके mind में ये है.
They are Indian mind.
They are in their mind. In their mind, it's just fit that government will not do. That's why. And I think
So, like, the people are thinking that government is not doing, according to your perspective, government is really not doing anything for the.
in many areas, I think government is not doing anything.
Okay, apart from government, as she has spoken, like the government is not doing anything. But I think, as far as I see, that government is doing.
In my perspective, because they are working. But okay, so any other questions that you would want to ask from her? From Sufi? Yes, Alice. Yes, go ahead. Ask the questions. Intelligent questions must be asked. Intelligent questions are always asked by the intelligent person. So if you are intelligent person, so yeah, after asking.
According to you, India is not democratic. You said that India is not democratic.
She's saying about
India is not
development.
development. Sorry, development. You see Nepal. Yeah, it's not more than India development of Nepal. I am saying Nepal is
Right, if we talk about America, it is a developed country.
If we talk about
If we
developed
talk
country like
about-
Japan and
like
Korea.
Japan, America, the people who live in China, it is called developed country. And India is called developing country. But still it is developing. It is not developed. It is not developed, sir.
It's development, sir.
Developing country.
I think China is developing country.
Developing is there. China is developed. अमेरिका फर्स्ट नंबर पे आती है, पहले नंबर पे आती है।
सर, चाइना डेवलपिंग कंट्री है, इंडिया डेवलपिंग कंट्री है, ब्राजील डेवलपिंग कंट्री
ठीक है, आपका अमेरिका क्या है?
जापान डेवलप्ड है, कोरिया डेवलप्ड है, भाई आगे और पाकिस्तान, चाइना, इंडिया ये सब अभी डेवलपिंग है, चाइना के अभी डेवलप्ड है, बट वो काफी आगे है हम लोग से, चाइना, पाकिस्तान ये है कि चाइना काफी आगे है हम लोग से। पाकिस्तान, अरे नहीं मैंने कहा पाकिस्तान भी डेवलपिंग कंट्री है, पर चाइना की कंपैरिजन में पीछे है। पीछे है, बट नेपाल से तो ज्यादा नहीं है ना। नेपाल बट मैंने कंपेयर नहीं किया, मैं कंपेयर कर रही हूँ, पर मैं कर रही हूँ। बोलो नेपाल इंडिया से नेपाल कम है डेवलपमेंट। नेपाल ये लोग बहुत सारे देश हैं, वो इंडिया से भी कम डेवलपमेंट है, उनको इंडिया के जैसे बनना है। हाँ बट हमको जापान के जैसे तो हम किसी की कॉपी क्यों करें? हम अपना अलग करते हैं ना, हम इंडिया है भाई, हमें डेवलप कंट्री बनना है ना, बनना है, लेकिन किसी की कॉपी क्यों करें हम?
सर ये वही बात होगी ना।
एक
अरे यार जो आईफोन वगैरह है ना वो सब अदर कंट्रीज से आ रहे कॉपी कर रहे हैं सब लोग।
लेकिन नेपाल बहुत सारे देश हैं, उनको भी इंडिया की तरह बनना है। लेकिन आप ये बोल रहे हो, अरे आप सर को कॉपी करके अरे आपने बोला ना इंडिया डेवलपमेंट नहीं है
सर तभी इंडिया डेवलप नहीं हो रहा है, तभी इंडिया डेवलप नहीं हो
और
रहा
आप
है,
जैसे सोच रहे हैं कि लोग
तभी नहीं हो रहा है। That's why India is not developing. It is because of the people. Government is doing, but the people are not supporting the government.
मैंने सिर्फ ये